Today we're walking through the charming city of Perugia in Italy. Nestled in the heart of the Umbria region, Perugia is a treasure trove of history, culture and stunning architecture. Perugia is renowned for its rich history, dating back to the Etruscan era. As you wander through its narrow, winding streets, you'll find yourself surrounded by ancient structures, each with its own story to tell. Our first stop is the Fontana Maggiore, a magnificent medieval fountain located in the Piazza IV Novembre. Built between 1277 and 1278, it features intricate carvings depicting biblical scenes and zodiac symbols. It's a testament to the city's artistic heritage and engineering prowess. Just a stone's throw away, you'll find the Perugia Cathedral, dedicated to St. Lawrence. Its construction began in 1345 and took several centuries to complete. Adjacent to the cathedral is the Palazzo dei Priori, one of Italy's finest examples of medieval civic architecture. Today, it houses the National Gallery of Umbria, where you can admire works by Perugino, the famous Renaissance painter who taught Raphael. Perugia isn't just about history, it's a vibrant modern city as well. Home to the University of Perugia, founded in 1308, and the prestigious Academy of Fine Arts, the city buzzes with youthful energy. Don't miss the Perugia Chocolate Festival, a must-visit for sweet tooths from around the world. Speaking of chocolate, did you know Perugia is famous for its confectionery? The Perugina Chocolate Factory, established in 1907, is the birthplace of the iconic baci chocolates. Each baci, meaning kiss in Italian, comes with a love note wrapped inside. The Euro Chocolate Festival, held every October, transforms the city into a paradise for chocolate lovers, with tastings, workshops, and artistic chocolate sculptures. As we conclude our walk through Perugia, take a moment to soak in the breathtaking views from its hilltops. The rolling hills, lush valleys, and historic skyline create a picture-perfect scene that captures the essence of this enchanting city. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Perugia. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and follow ConnollyCove for more travel adventures. Until next time, ciao.